ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Tnad Commerce and Industries Jangka Sarkar Jilla, ringkai ke jingis nok tilang bagi Don Bosco Teknologi Nongston, kuwe nigi Islam Jinghikai pentebet iki samla, hakar pu atrik unailar ajar pausa, klub lipat ba iki executive course ke bakat sansngi halok electrical appliances repairing and servicing. Kajing temu jangan dengan Jinghikai ke bahap hapo ke scheme raising and accelerating MSME performance kalau menkenti ke jing tebet jangki unit dan lupa nang taban nang kenti shushu ke jing tebet ba jing tip jangki samla hakani kalan ya ke ba onikai ke benta ba pair jangan jingshna pen bahai ke tiar elektrik. Haga jing pelipat ba ia kini ke Jinghikai ke belong Don Bosco Teknologi Nongston lasa kilang dagak general manager jangan Tnad Commerce and Industries ke kong ai walang u Akash Debdas u bdu SPIU jang RAMP u principal jangan Don Bosco Teknologi Nongston u brother Quirinus War u director jangan Don Bosco Teknologi Nongston u father Kharshandi kinang hikai bagi samla pasya hikai pentebet.
Plus lambat sikit, buat dalam kawai sikit. Ini lakukan dulu, kapan, bel, 5-in-1, power line, dekat dulu ke MCB. Ini yang belum baca, MCB box. Ini kawan aku meter, dan ini ikan baca, nanti cuma dulu baca, warna push. Dari hapor pengilik kotakal, cuma dulu baca dulu tang. Ini dekat MCB box, meter, warna MCB box. Ini main MCB. Main MCB jangka baru dari ong isolator. Sementara yang aja kontrol dari jangka ini, baik kita kejong. Kontrol dari jangka ini. Kalau mana nak minta di kisar mana di fresh baru kita udah kita kilut bala arja berjerong. No, kena jangan mistake. Baik kita kayak itu. Kena jongpel, kena jongpan, ke dulu pan reduktor mana, ban penhek ban penrep, jaka pan.
And the main focus of this particular program today is to focus on the executive posts on electrical appliances. Our department, Directorate of Commerce Industries, in collaboration with Don Bosco Technical Institute, Nongston as its knowledge partners, we have a target to impart this particular post to 201 youths of the district of West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, and Eastern West Khasi Hills district.
By MSME, it's not only the units or the you can say the units or the business houses which we normally think of. Any entrepreneur can be an MSME. And with this approach and with this mindset, we have come to you to train young entrepreneurs and make some good MSME units for this district. To the participants of this course, I would like to request you take as much as learning from this course, make it interactive, make it enjoyable, and then enhance your skills and connect with like-minded peers, and this will be giving you the opportunity to enhance and creating new opportunities in the